Hi everyone, back with another review on another open ear earbuds. These style of earbuds sure are popular, and I'm kind of wondering why. They are $60 on Amazon, and there's currently a coupon for them if you want to go get them. Anyways, let's get to the review though. Knife time. Alright, let's open these up. Okay, so they've made a lot of improvements with the second version of these Truefree O2 earbuds. They actually fit a lot better, and the earbud material is way more bendy than it was last time. I just did another review on the Soundpeats on the left, and I thought it was interesting. It has the same speckled design on the earbuds and on the case as the Truefree O2. It's a little different color, but apparently this design is in style right now. I really like this Soundpeats because it rotated like this, although it's not as bendy for the ear clip. Let's compare it to the Truefree O2 case. They're about the same size. These open ear earbud cases are unusually large, but that's just because the open ear earbuds need to have a large case. Let's compare it to the AirPods Pro case. It's much bigger. So think about that. If you have small pockets, these probably aren't for you. But they are nice for walking outside because it sounds like transparency mode when you have them in. They are a bit bigger than a normal AirPod earbud. Okay, let's get these paired with my phone. You have to hold that button in the case to pair them. This is how they look on me. They look okay, in my opinion, and they fit pretty easily and slide on pretty quickly. So their app is called Truefree in the iOS App Store, and it only has 11 reviews and 1 star. And I'll tell you why it has 1 star. It's because no one wants to create an account to log into an app. They made me create an account, and the verification method, which they force you to do, is they send you a code to your email, and then you have 60 seconds to go to your email. It's very frustrating. You need to get rid of that Truefree that you have to log in to get into the app. You need to get rid of that. I'm telling you, please get rid of it. And just leave it so you'll get into the earbuds, and then you can go to the hearing test. I do appreciate that. And then the EQ modes. And then you can also switch it to English. So when you put the earbud in your ear, it talks in English or Chinese. But it did have a firmware update that I needed to install that installed in about 5 minutes. And they do have white noise like forced drizzle. I heard flies at the end of that noise. Anyways, I do think they improved the Truefree O2 pretty well. The ear clip fits much better in my ear, and it's a much better case as well. The case on the right, that's the very first version, Truefree O1. I'm also going to do a microphone example of these Truefree O2 for you now. Okay, I have the Truefree O2 earbuds in my ear, and I'm talking. It's actually January 1st, right after midnight, and there's fireworks going on in the background. So this will be a good test to hear if you can hear the fireworks going off outside. But here's some footage of the Truefree O2 versus the Truefree O1. How do you think this microphone sounded for the Truefree O2 earbuds? Could you clearly understand me? Okay, I've switched back to my Rode mic. These earbuds sound okay. All open earbuds, in my opinion, don't sound great just because there's no sound isolation in your ear with a silicone earbud tip normally. Overall, these sound okay. I actually think the Soundpeats Breezy 5 that I showed earlier sound better, but they did improve from their earlier version, and thank you, Truefree, for sending these to me.